Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas with a new video how to calculate the quantity of concrete on my YouTube channel. Viewers, before going to start my video, I request you to subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Viewers, today our topic is very easy but very important. If we want to pour concrete in any member, we must know the quantity of concrete. So today we will discuss this topic, how to calculate quantity of concrete. Viewers, first of all, we must know that quantity of concrete is actually volume of the member. If you are pouring concrete in slab, it's mean the volume of slab is equal to the quantity of concrete. You only know the volume of that member, then you will know how much concrete you required for this member. So we will take few example to understand. Now let's move toward the first example. Our first example is a slab. Viewers, the length of slab is 3 meter and the width of slab is 2 meter and the thickness is 0.3 mm. So if we want to calculate the volume or quantity of concrete for slab, it is very easy because volume for slab is length into breadth into height. We have length 3 meter, we have width or breadth 2 meter, and we have height 300 mm. First of all, we convert 300 mm into meter because these two, length and width, are in meter. So three units must be same. So we convert millimeter to meter divided by 1000. When we divide 300 by 1000, it will come 0.300 meter. So we put three values here. Length is equal to 3 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter, and height is equal to 0.300. After multiplying these three values, the result will come 1.8 cubic meter. So it's mean the concrete required for this slab is 1.8 cubic meter. Now viewers, let's move toward example number 2. Our example number 2 is a column and its height is 6 meter, and it's in its cross section diagram, its length and breadth is 450 mm. 450 mm. First of all, we will convert this mm into meter, millimeter into meter, because the other unit is meter. So dividing by 1000, it will come 0.450. So it's mean length and breadth is 0.450 and height is 6 meter. Formula for volume of column will be remain same, length into breadth into height. So volume is equal to length is 0.450, breadth is also 0.450, and height is 6 meter. So multiplying these three values, we get 1.21 cubic meter. Viewers, it's mean for this column having height 6 meter and length and breadth 0.450, we need 1.21 cubic meter concrete to pour it. Now move towards third example, which is very important to know. Our third example is a circular member. Viewers, normally the foundation of a chimney or foundation of turbines are usually in circular shape. So here we use this formula to calculate the quantity of concrete. I write there chimney foundation. So We must remember formula to calculate the volume or concrete of circular member. Formula is pi d square divided by 4 multiply d by 12. Here capital D is diameter of circle and small d mean depth of circle. In this example we have diameter 4 because here this is radius 2 and here this is radius 2, so diameter is equal to 2 times r and we have radius 2 times, so diameter is equal to 4. So here we have diameter is equal to 4. We put value on this formula, and depth we have given 0.300 millimeter. It is in meter, not in millimeter. So we putting values, and after calculation we get 0.300 cubic meter. So it's mean we need 0.3 cubic meter concrete for a member which is circular, whose diameter is 4 meter and whose depth is 0.300 meter. Now viewers, come to the last problem, which is a triangular member. We have a triangular member whose three sides are given. First side A is 4 meter, second side which is B is equal to 3 meter, and third side C is equal to 2 meter, and the depth of this triangular member is 0.300 300 mm. First of all we will convert this into meter divided by 1000 and it will come 0.300 meter because other units are in meter. Now viewers, remember the formula. It is very important formula to calculate volume or quantity of concrete for a triangular member. We must know these two formula. First we have to calculate S, which is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, and second we have to calculate area. Area is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now viewers, I will put values here. Here A we have 4, B we have 3 and C we have 2. Dividing by 2 we get 4.5 meter. Now using this 4.5 meter in this formula, 4.5 S minus A, 4.5 minus A is 4, S minus B 4.5 minus 3, S minus C 4.5 minus 2. Putting all values which are given, we get S 4.5, 4.5 minus 4 we get 0.5, 4.5 minus 3 we get 1.5, 4.5 minus 2 we get 2.5. Now multiplying these values we get 8.43. You can calculate by your own self. After taking under root, area for this triangular shape will come 2.89 meter. I will write here 2.89 meter cube square meter. Now we calculate area of this triangular member, but we want to calculate the volume, quantity of concrete. So we have depth 0.300. So it's very simple. We multiply area with the depth of this triangular member and then we will get the volume of this triangular member. Area is 2.89 meter square meter and depth is 0.300 meter. Multiplying these two values and we will get 0.867 cubic meter. So viewers, if we want to calculate the quantity of concrete in triangular member, we must know these formula. First of all we will calculate area by these two formula and then multiply area with the depth of this triangular member and you will calculate this volume of concrete. It's mean for a triangular member you need 0.867 cubic meter when the three sides are 4 meter, 3 meter and 2 meter, and the depth is 0.30 meter. Viewers, I hope that you like my video, and please subscribe my channel. Soon I will be back having another video. Thank you.